Hello Sagittarius, welcome to my channel Dream Tarot, and this will be your further messages regarding your love life. Let's see what is coming up for you this time, and this will be a general reading. It may resonate you or may not. Please take those messages what resonates you and leave the rest. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe it. Okay, so let's see what messages are for Sagittarius. What messages are for Sagittarius? Okay. These are a lot messages. Two of Pentacles. After a long time, one message came. What else? Okay. King of Cups, Six of Swords. Underneath you are having Page of Swords. So here I'm seeing that Sagittarius, um, you want a soulmate connection now, and if you are in a connection, you are very much enjoying your love life because you met your soulmate or you are about to meet your soulmate. And if this is an existing relationship where you are enjoying your soulmate connection with your person, here you want to build this connection in a strong basis, like you both will want to put your effort to build a connection with mutual collaborations. If you are not having anyone in your life this time, so you want a soulmate connection now where uh, the person will show their love and respect towards you, and you want mutual collaboration from your partner also. If you are not having the person, this is your desire, this can be your desire. So there is a time, maybe it's a time for you, you can meet a soulmate connection this time. Or maybe if you are in a breakup with your person, you are thinking about this connection. This is your desire you are having for your love life, that you are thinking that you should have this kind of connection in your life, and you are regretting over your past relationship, or maybe you are very much heartbroken over your past relationship because um, that past connection was not good. So now you want to come, if you want your past person back in your life, uh, so you have to say this to your person. This is a Page of Sword card, so you have to say, or maybe you are having eye over you are looking for your partner to come to you and say something. If this person is not coming towards you, you have to say this to to your person. Or maybe you want to say this to your person, that what kind of life you want from them. So if you are looking, or maybe you are spying over them, uh, but you are not taking steps, you want new start, you want to come out from this bad relationship, and you want now peace, you want peace in your relationship, and you want peace in your life now. You want to start something new in this connection. If you want to start something new in this connection, if you want this connection again, So you have to say, you have to speak up, or maybe you have to take action here for the stability of this connection. I'm seeing that if you say to this person a single word, this person will come towards you, and they will offer you all what you want. They will offer you their high emotions and love, and they will take you with them on a positive thing. They will take you in a very much peace and cool and calm place, and they will build the connection mutually, and they will show you their soulmate energy, and they will show their love, their true love to you, and they will give you the stability. Or maybe you want all this in the connection, or maybe in the existing connection, but you are lacking this time, or this is you are just looking, you are having eye over this kind of connection this time. So you are just desiring, and you are looking for this connection, and you have to say words, you have to take initiate here. So when you will take initiate, then these things will come towards you. Maybe this person was waiting for you to initiate. So let's see what will be the outcome of this situation. New start, you want new start in this connection, or you want to start from the zero. If there were a bad situation, bad energies, um, bad situation you were going through in this connection, now you want to start, you want to forget all bad things from past, and now you want to start from zero. And there is lot communication, it's need communication, or maybe a lot communication, it's need a lot communication. You have to tell this person, or maybe you have to talk to this person about the connection, whatever you want in this life, but you are confused here. Lot of confusing energy. So you think that this cannot happen, but if you put effort, if you talk, if you open up, if you conversate to your person, your words can change everything, your words can change everything. So you have to tell to your partner that you want what you want from them, and what you want from this connection. So this can happen to you. So Sagittarius, that was your reading. Hope it resonates you. Please let me confirm in a comment below, like my video, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.